Hi everybody, it's Michael Redden again. I am an estate planning attorney in Minnesota, and I am covering some more common questions that I get in my practice. And one of those things is what are death taxes? What is the estate tax? This is essentially a tax on everything that a dead person owned up to a certain percentage. So if you die and you own it and you're still holding it, generally if a death taxes could apply. One thing to know is that death taxes apply to very little people nowadays. Under the current law, you can die and own $11 million worth of assets and not pay a single part of the tax. That can be double that if you're married. Minnesota does have a state level tax on your estate. Um, the legislature has gradually started to lift that up, and under current law that's going to soon be $3 million. Anything above that, there's going to be a tax. So most people don't have to worry about it. But remember, this stuff changes. Stay on top of it. We had a year without an estate tax. We've had estate taxes down to 600 grand in assets. Think about your house, what it's worth, plus things in your retirement account. If it goes back down that low, then yeah, most people are going to get hit by it. But you have to know if you're at risk, know if that's involved or not. If it is involved, there are many things that we can do. We can plan to just pay it. We can plan to have life insurance pay it. We could get things out of your estate. And if they're out of your estate, either through a sale or through giving it away and waiting for 3 years to pass, they won't be counted. Those are the kind of things that an estate planning attorney can really help you with. And right now, the federal estate tax is 40%, and that's pretty high. Minnesota's is lower, but you got to kind of look how these go in together and see what happens. If you're worried about estate taxes, I can certainly help you with that, explain them to you, show you your options. Most people aren't going to be affected by it, but quite a few people could be, especially if you die unexpectedly, because you're amassing a lot of money in retirement, and you may get $2 million or $3 million in retirement and then pass away young. If you pass away young with that kind of money, you could potentially be subject to Minnesota taxes or to the federal tax, depending on what the value of all your assets are. But most people don't have to worry about it, and I hope this answers your basic questions. If you have any other ones, please let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. Until next time.